I hear it all the time. There are no resources for how to use NeoStampa DTF Rip software. And you're right, there haven't been, but I am so excited to announce that today I'm launching my all-new Mastering NeoStampa course that is super in-depth on all of the basic license functions. We've set up the course so you can take it from beginning to end if you just want to learn it all at once. But we've also made it really, really searchable so that if there is a tool or a function in NeoStampa you're not sure what it does or how to utilize it, you can go find that little lesson in the course and learn how to use that tool, like maybe the crop and registration marks, or maybe the cropping tool, or the mosaic tool, or the color replacement tool. The course is available right now for purchase on our website. We have a special discounted deal for the launch, and we're just so excited to offer this tool so that you can get the most out of NeoStampa and your DTF printer.